Hello, my name is Luke Koslow, and I'm the Permaculture Track leader for this year's Organic Grower School Spring Conference. And I'm excited to bring 3 new speakers into the OGS community. All of them will be speaking for the first time this year. This year's Permaculture Track, I wanted to focus it on residential, homeowner scale permaculture, and not on big food forests and big regenerative things and farm scale things. So we wanted to focus on a path for homeowners and people interested in permaculture to get a leg up and begin doing permaculture on their own land. And so all of our 3 classes will be in that vein. The first of the classes taught by Nikita Taylor, who is a homesteader out in Louisville. She has a PDC. We took the class together a few years ago. She'll be teaching the basics of the permaculture principles. So a discussion on these building blocks of these permaculture principles that inform a lot of the decision making in the design process. And then Anna Timmerman, who is the owner of Gardens of Eden, a local permaculture design and implementation firm. She will be teaching the basics of permaculture design. There's a lot in design and get very technical, but she's pruned it down and streamlined it into being a kind of a crash course. Get your pencil, get your paper, and make a design approachable for anybody to be able to really start thinking about how permaculture design works and how the process of a permaculture designer working from patterns to details and going through that process and putting it on paper with a plan. And then Brandy Hall is with Shades of Green Permaculture down in Georgia, and she will be teaching the 3 pillars of a regenerative landscape, which are 3 really crucial pillars to hold up a regenerative landscape. Would be the management of water, the building of soil, and the developing of plant communities to introduce into the landscape. And so those 3 things are so hugely important that we wanted to make sure that we really hit on those and give a good foundational understanding of the permaculture mindset, design practice, and really crucial components so that we can launch people this spring into implementing a lot of these strategies on their own land. So we're excited. I'm excited for the whole conference. I'm excited for the permaculture track that we've put together, and I think that it'll be very beneficial to anyone who's interested. So thanks so much for your interest. Happy gardening.